Here at the laboratory at Denver 3D Printing. Just wanted to do a quick little video. It's actually been a while since I've had all of my printers up and running all at the same time. So, thought I'd do a quick little run through. Of my printers. This one is my Creekbot. Heavily modified. It's got a duet board on there. It's water cooled and can print pieces all the way up to Altium, which is about 400 degrees Celsius to print. This is my Cube Pro Duo D3D edition. It's got also very heavily modified. It's actually got a heated build plate on it. It's controlled with a duet control board. It's got a couple of little heaters in there to keep this chamber nice and toasty when I'm printing things like carbon fiber nylon like I'm doing right now. This one here is my CraftBot. This one is my most expensive pile of junk printer that's currently broken, and I'm waiting for new parts. You can actually kind of even see the broken spots here in this support material. The extruder is not wonderful. This one here is my own custom 3D printer that I manufacture. This is my D3D 500. It's got a 500 by 400 by 450-ish on the Z. This one is also controlled with a duet control board. This one has a Hemera hot end. Soon I will be upgrading it to the Revo. I did just sign up a contract with D3D, so check us out. We will have a lot of their products here in the laboratory shortly. And then this guy here is actually my everyone tinker. It's pretty well stock. I've done a firmware for it, and obviously upgraded the hot end on there because their stock hot end really was stinky, but the control software is stock. This one has this one I believe is a matrix hot end, which is just like the Hemera hot end, only the clone version. It's not much cheaper, so I don't know if I will continue to run them or not. But it does a great, fantastic job printing. This is actually TPU. You can see just kind of how clean it prints. But that's basically my little makerspace. I got a couple of lasers over here and a whole bunch of parts and whatnot over there. But yeah, that's what goes on down here.